and welcome back to my channel Duct Tape Mechanic. And in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the agitator on a Speed Queen washing machine and give it a deep cleaning. So if you find this video to be helpful, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more DIY and tinkering videos. Alright, so here is the washing machine in question. It's a Speed Queen. This particular model number is right there. It's a Speed Queen TC5. But this video is going to be applicable to pretty much any sort of Speed Queen top load washer because they're all kind of set up the same way. Basically, your clothes are only as clean as your washer. And what happens over time, regardless of whatever washing machine you have, is that the tub itself gets dirty. And one of the main culprits of that is overuse of fabric softener. As you can see, if you zoom in to that fabric softener dispenser, it's kind of gnarly looking in there. So what happens is that if you put too much fabric softener, it doesn't dissolve in the water and the leftover begins to mold over time, and so that leads to a characteristic smell, and that smell may get onto your clothes. So in this video I'm going to show you how to take off this agitator, this fabric softener cup, and how to clean off the bottom of it as well. I've seen a couple of videos where they use special tools to get this agitator off. All that is unnecessary, and this thing can come off with just a little bit of pulling and elbow grease, but not too much. It's not that difficult. So let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is get the fabric softener cup out, or the dispenser. You probably want to wear some gloves. This is mold. It kind of smells bad. So you just have to grab it from around the perimeter and just pull up, and either just the cap will come off or this whole unit will come off. Either way, if this part of the cup is left, you can just take it off like so, and there's actually one more piece, this bottom piece, that should come out as well. You can just pull off like that. Take a look at how nasty that looks. That's the fabric softener cup. That's a dispenser, and this is the piece that kind of where the fabric softener actually comes out of, and all that needs to be cleaned, and you can basically just clean that with hot water and a brush of your choice. I won't get into the details of how you need to clean that, but that's just how you take all these components off, and basically the dishes need to be scrubbed clean, and they go back on and just in that order right there, where that cup goes onto the bottom piece and that goes in like that. Then you just push it on. But with that being removed, you can actually see that the culprit is not just the cup, but actually underneath and quite deep into the agitator. So I'm going to show you how to pull that out as well. As I mentioned, I saw a couple of videos where people were putting airbags down here and try to pop this off. It's really not necessary. All you have to do is get your fingers underneath the bottom piece right here and just pull up as hard as you can, and it'll just pop right off. There we go. So if that was a little bit difficult to see, all I did was I got my hands, put them underneath the small space or the small gap that's underneath the agitator, like so, and just pulled up. It does require a little bit of force, but it can be done. Alright, so that is what it looks like underneath with the agitator all removed. And what I like to do is I like to just unhook the hot water line from the back of the washer, put some hot water in here, brush it down with a brush. As far as the agitator itself goes, you can also just clean that off with soapy hot water and a brush. Make sure you just get in there and clean that off. So we'll do that, and we'll come back and I'll show you how to put this all back together. Yeah, just look at all that dirt and grime that I just cleaned up or loosened after just about 5 minutes of scrubbing. To clean out the agitator, I just used a garden hose and stuck it in there with a little bit of pressure, and it got all that water coming out those pores. As far as the other components are concerned, I just cleaned them out with some water and brush right there. Alright, so once we got everything all cleaned up, we just got to put it back. To get the agitator back on there, as you can see, is just going to be push on. So you just push it down like so, and we're going to push down really hard on it to get it to seat properly, like that. So not too difficult. After that, it's all about putting the fabric dispenser components together. So we got the bottom piece right here, then the cup goes up like that on it, and then just the top cover goes over like so and just clicks into place, and then this whole unit goes on like so and just pushes in right there. At this point, you can add your favorite washing machine cleaner, whether that's a fresh or maybe even a half a cup of bleach, into the tub and close that right there. Since this machine doesn't have any sort of cleaning cycle, I recommend putting it onto hot and then putting it onto heavy soil, then doing a deep fill option with heavy duty load, and then just hitting the start button. That way it'll clean out the tub and it'll get rid of all that debris that was there when we scrubbed the bottom portion of where the agitator was seated. So that should take care of that. Anyways, if you found this video to be helpful, make sure you hit the thumbs up sign.